Hi Taurus, this is your tarot reader Usheen and welcome to my channel The Magical Aura. So it's time for your monthly reading of June 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. This is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you, but if it resonates, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be notified about my latest readings. Alright, so let's start with your reading now. So what's June 2020 bringing for my Taurus? Let's see what is the overall energy. Queen of Cups. Capricorn got this. Queen of Cups as the final outcome actually. Yeah, very emotional energy. Taurus, you are feeling very much you are into your emotions in June, I can see. Might be missing some person, or missing your old job, or wanted to do something but couldn't do it, so that's why you are thinking about that thing. Okay, so let's see what is the present energy of you. Ace of Pentacles, always ready to start something new, Taurus, right? Taurus is all about let's start something new. Let's see how much stability this thing has, because you love stability, I know that. Stability with money, this is the perfect thing which can ever happen with a Taurus. So what is crossing over this Ace of Pentacles? The High Priest. Okay, Taurus, this is you. Okay, so basically it's like you are consistent about something. You want to start something new, but it's always like there's a question in your head. Will it happen? Am I sure about it? Okay, what will happen after that? What will happen after that? You're always looking forward towards so many years. You always take it like after 5 years, after 10 years, what will happen? Where will I be? But what you have to see, you have to start something new. Everything will take time. If you start a new business, you will be not like, okay, I started the business today, it will prosper, I will get so much of money, I will make millions of money tomorrow. No, it will not be like that. You are questioning, actually you are questioning yourself. You are doubting yourself. This is because of that. So just work on your pentacles, okay? Just give all your 100%. This girl is sitting over there. If this girl wouldn't have digged this soil, she wouldn't have found this, right? So what you have to do, you have to keep working. Do not quit whatever you want to do. If you want to start a new relationship, this is a very beautiful card, because this card is like you want a stable beginning, but there are some kind of marriage issues, there's some kind of problem which is coming in front of you. So that is why you are feeling very emotional. It can be that as well for some of you, not for everyone. For some, the matter is coin, for some the matter is a relationship. Alright, so let's see what is in your mind. Pentacles, yes, obviously. King of Pentacles, money, stability. Your mind is like, okay, so what can I do to make more money? I want more. This is not enough. I'm never fulfilled. I'm never finished with making money. What else can I do? Let's see your recent past. Page of Wands. So you were thinking very immaturely, I can see, in your past. You were actually thinking You were curious about many things. You wanted to do this, you were passionate, but you wanted to do everything. You cannot do everything all at once. Start making, taking one thing at a time, then do another thing. But what is good, that your stability is very nice. As a current energy, you have Ace of Pentacles. This is a very stable beginning. You were very immature in the past, but you now are very stable with King of Pentacles. You want everything to happen, and that's really good. Let's see what is the reason of the reading. Queen of Swords. Whatever you do, it always end up, you lose a lot in your life, because you start something, I don't know why do you quit. I don't know why it's coming in my mind so much. You quit, you enter in something new very passionately, very fast, like, okay, I will do this as well, I'll do that as well, but some things happen, and then again you feel, what to do now, I cannot do this, this is not me. You are not consistent in your work. So that is why the reason of the reading, you became very helpless. You don't know, you start thinking the worst conditions. Okay, so this is not happening, fine, let's just quit this, let's do something else. Okay, this is also not working fine with me, let's do something else. No, this is now life works. You have to give some time, a little time at least. Let's see what's your future. Yeah, very beautiful. So if you will be consistent, you will be there. 10 of Cups is the fulfillment card. Everything, whatever you wished for, you have achieved everything. So just be consistent. Your beginning is very beautiful, but do not lose hope. Don't quit. Whatever you have started, let it go. Just move on with the process. Okay. Are we able to see? I guess. Yeah, now it's fine. Alright, so what do you want? You want something new again, a new job offer. Why you want always something new should always happen? That is really good, that you are always enthusiastic in this thing, that you want something again and again and again. But sometimes these things, they bring not happiness, they bring worries in your life. But you want that thing, whatever you are waiting for. See, this person, it's looking like he's waiting for something. Whatever you are waiting for, it will happen, and that is why you have received this 10 of Cups in your future energy. You will get that thing. Just be consistent. People around you, how are they? 7 of Pentacles. There's a slow energy around you. So this is not like, the people around you are not bothering you a lot. It's your own worries which bother you. It's your own desire, your thinking of I want more, which is actually which brings more of problems in your life. But the people around you, they are fine. There's no problem about that. How are you feeling emotionally? You want to do something from your past. Basically, you have something in your mind. You know that you can do this, you can do the work, whatever is needed, but it will take time, as you have started doing that thing. So that is why emotionally as well, you are feeling very much into yourself. If you love doing yoga, you want to do that because it's something from your past, from your childhood. You loved this thing, so that is why you want to pursue it as your profession as well. Okay, so final outcome. Okay, so I I see you single in this relationship, sorry, in this whole reading today, whosoever it is concerned. Taurus, I don't feel like there is some person who is involved, but those people who are looking for love in this in today's reading, they will be a very beautiful starting of a new relationship with the High Priest as well, because this is the marriage card. So if you are thinking to go towards this new relationship, I guess it is really beautiful, because you are feeling emotional, you have that strength. The strength, it matters a lot, and that is very beautiful reading for you, Taurus. Let's clarify some cards for you. Okay, so let's see what is the overall energy of Queen of Cups there. Ten of Cups, wow. You have decided that you are going to pursue your dream, you are going to pursue your passion, whatever that thing is. It can be anything. It can be playing a guitar as well, it can be singing, dancing, it can be you want to do something with like if you want to become a doctor, everything is fulfilled, the things has been set up, it's just your work which is needed now. So it's very beautiful. So let's see what is this High Priest about. King of Rods, passionate king of Rods is here, King of Pentacles is here. So you have attained that level of maturity. In the past you were very immature, but now you have started thinking differently. You know that things will happen only when you will work on those things. You have understood that thing. Okay, let's see what is this Queen of Swords. King of Pentacles, the reason of the reading. Money is a big thing. Stability is a big thing for you. You are the person, you are very stable. In future as well, I can see that there is stability, there is everything. It's just you have to work on that thing. Money will come in your life, you will have a good life, a good family. You just have to work. You have to work a lot. Good. Let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles. Eight of Cups. Okay, so to get this happiness, there are some things which need to leave. Let's say if you're looking for your happy family, so you have to, if you are working, you will actually receive the abundance. But what will happen if you will have the happy family with you? You might have to leave that place. You might be working some other foreign place. I can see that if you have love, you have work as well, but sometimes what happens, you have money, you have love, but you are apart from each other. So this is that card, Eight of Cups. You will get that happiness, you will have the money which you want, you will have the relationship with whomsoever you are in love with, you will have everything. It will be very far from you. If you are working someplace, you will be far from your lover. If you are with your lover, your work is somewhere very far, you will be working online or something like that. That there is always something which you have to leave for some, for some things you have to leave some other thing. This is something like that. Let's see what is this Page of Cups about. The Moon. Yeah. Okay. So you actually want this new thing to start, but it is taking time. Yes, it is taking time. that person or that job is, you are waiting for that offer, but it will really, it is just taking a little time, but it will definitely come to you. Let's see the strength card over here. Empress and 7 of Cups. Yeah, you have so much in your hand that you will be confused. The outcome is like you have everything, but it will be like the confusion, because there are so many things in front of you. You have your love life, you have your business, you have other things which are going on, but everything will come to you at the end. So it's up to you what to choose and what not to choose. Okay, so that's all from my side, Taurus. I really hope you like the reading, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.